Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is prepositional phrase 60. The prepositional phrase today is from the get-go. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot? Do it right now. Let's get right to it. If someone says from the get-go, it means from the very start, or from the very beginning, or it means at once upon starting. So we say from the get-go. Something happens from the get-go. All right, let's continue. Many say this phrase comes from a very common older phrase of get ready, get set, go. Yeah, I've often had students ask us, why do we say from the get-go? Well, this may be it. This was commonly used for races. Yeah, I can remember this as a kid. If two kids or more were going to have a race, just before, they're standing on the line, they're getting ready to, and they say, get ready, get set, go. And like that would be like for a race or some sort of competition where you're trying to figure out somebody's racing to do something, or somebody will finish something first. All right, let's continue. Or competitions of any kind in which somebody does something the fastest or something is timed. It was used a lot in school competitions. Over time it was shortened to the get go. Okay. Well, they say sometimes that it needed to be shortened because sometimes, people would almost try to cheat and go first before go. So they had to say it quicker, instead of ready, set, go, they said from the get-go, I guess. So this way everybody start right away. Sometimes it was started as on your mark, get ready, set, go. Yeah, again, when I was young, I heard this all the time with sort of competitions. All right, let's continue. There are some others think it comes from the word go. Yeah, because we have another expression in English. We say, like somebody might do something from the word go. All right, so that it may have originated from that phrase too. So that's a second possibility. There is a third theory that it comes from the African American community. The author Tony Cade Bombera, a writer and civil rights activist, used the term from the get. And some people might think that too. Personally, I think the first one could be the one that's most likely to be correct. But, you may see some people with different opinions of what they think it came from. And these are three of the most common possibilities of where we got the expression from the get-go. All right, and we just have 4 examples here to show how we would use it. This is a very, very common phrase. I didn't trust him from the get-go. I didn't trust him from the very beginning. Even before he started, I didn't trust this guy. I didn't trust him from the get-go. That's a way to emphasize it. You could tell how talented he was from the get-go. Right away, from the very beginning, you could tell how talented he was. Number 3, I knew from the get-go it was not going to work. Well, whatever they're doing, you didn't think it was going to be successful. It wasn't going to work. So you could tell from the very beginning, this is probably a waste of time. This is not going to work. Or number 4, I suspected something was wrong from the get-go. So from the very beginning, it didn't feel right. You thought something might have been wrong. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.